Hi everyone, it's Coach Fred here, and today I'm going to be going over practice test 6, math non-calculator number 27. So this is actually just a general concept question. It says, in the xy plane, the graph of 2x squared minus 6x plus 2y squared plus 2y equals 45 is a circle. What is the radius of the circle? Well, I'm guessing that in either geometry, possibly in Algebra 2, you learned about the equation of a circle being x minus h squared plus y minus k squared equals r squared, where hk was your center, so the center of the circle, and r was the radius. Now, what you should be noticing is that this is not in this form. These are squares of binomials, okay? And this is what we would call general form of a circle. So to move an equation from general form to standard form, so in this form, we actually have to complete the square. Okay, so to get from general form into standard form, you are going to complete the square. But you're going to complete the square with the x's and you're going to complete the square with the y's. The first thing, though, that you have to do, though, is you have to make sure that your x squareds have coefficients of 1. So to get those so that they have a coefficient of 1, you actually have to divide all of the terms by 2. So I'm going to do that. I'm going to divide every single term by 2 so that we get x squared plus 3x. I'm going to leave some room, and then y squared, so plus y squared, plus y equals 22.5. Okay, so you're going to complete the square, meaning you're going to create a perfect square trinomial with the x's and with the y's. Once you have a perfect square trinomial, you can write it in factored form as the square of a binomial, so it would get you to standard form. Okay, so as a reminder, to complete the square, you're going to take half of the middle term, half of 3, which is 1.5, square it, so that's going to give you 2.25. Whatever you do to one side, though, you have to add to the other side. Okay, you're going to do the same thing for y. You're going to take half of 1 and square it. So half of 1 is 0.5, right? And 0.5 squared is going to give me 0.25. So I'm going to add 0.25, and I'm going to add 0.25 right there. All right, now you have perfect square trinomials, so you want to write them in factored form as squares of binomials. All right, so this one would then work out to be x plus 1.5, and this one would work out to be y plus 0.5 equals. All right, so we have to add all that up. So 22.5 plus 2.5 actually would give me 25. So I'm going to erase that and get it out of the way because it's in my way right now. Sorry about that. Equals 25. Okay, so now our center is negative 1.5, negative 0.5. And my radius is the square root of 25, so 5. Now this question was just asking me about the radius, so there's my radius, 5. All right, so again, that was a general review of taking a circle in general form and putting it into standard form by completing the square. Hopefully that was helpful. Have a great day.